Today, we have got an absolute game-changer video for you. We are going to explore the proven strategies of none other than the financial guru himself, Robert Kiyosaki, author of the best-selling book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Now, here's the hook. If you watch this video until the end and apply the strategies we discuss, you will be taking a significant step closer to achieving financial success, and 2024 will be your best year. If the idea of getting rich and attaining financial freedom grabs your attention, you are in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video. It will help me a lot. Now let's get started. Welcome to Luxury. Understanding the basics. Before we delve into the specific strategies, it is crucial to grasp the fundamental principles that form the bedrock of Robert Kiyosaki's teachings. At the heart of his philosophy is the concept of distinguishing between assets and liabilities. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of building a robust asset portfolio that generates income as opposed to accumulating liabilities that drain your resources. Understanding these financial basics is like having a treasure map guiding you toward wealth. We will explore practical examples and break down how you can identify assets in your life, whether it's through investments, real estate, or other income-generating avenues. Kiyosaki advocates for an entrepreneurial mindset, encouraging individuals to view their careers or business as vehicles for wealth creation. We will discuss how you can make this mindset shift, empowering you to take control of your financial destiny. In 2024, these foundational principles are more relevant than ever in a rapidly changing economic landscape. Remember, the key to getting rich isn't just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. Let's dive into the strategies that will set you on the path to financial abundance. The importance of financial education. Let's delve into one of the cornerstones of Robert Kiyosaki philosophy, the paramount importance of financial education. In the ever-evolving world, staying informed is your superpower. Always remember, knowledge is power. Imagine financial education as the compass guiding you through the labyrinth of investments and opportunities. Kiyosaki believes that continuous learning is essential for making informed financial decisions. But what does it mean practically? Stay updated with market trends. Keeping an eye on market trends allow you to spot potential opportunities and threats. For instance, in 2023, the evolution of artificial intelligence, also known as AI, was nothing short of astonishing. The rapid pace at which AI technologies developed, reshaped industries, and created unique investment opportunities. Staying informed about such transformative trends positions you to capitalize on emerging sectors. Diversify your knowledge base. Don't limit yourself to a single niche. Just as you wouldn't invest all your money in one stock, don't invest all your learning in one area. Explore different financial instruments, industries, and investment vehicles. Utilize online courses and resources. Thanks to the internet, there is a wealth of knowledge at your fingertips. Platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, or even YouTube offers courses on personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Take advantage of these resources to deepen your understanding. Network and learn from experts. Attend seminars, webinars, and networking events to connect with experienced professionals. Learn from their successes and, perhaps more importantly, their mistakes. Remember, financial education isn't just about formal degree, it's about a commitment to lifelong learning. By staying informed and continuously educating yourself, you will be better equipped to navigate the financial landscape of 2024 and beyond. Leveraging real estate. Kiyosaki is a strong advocate for investing in real assets that have the potential to generate passive income. So how can you leverage real estate in 2024? Let's break it down. Rental properties. Consider investing in rental properties. This timeless strategy involves purchasing real estate to rent out to tenants. The rental income can provide a steady cash flow while the property appreciates in value over time. With the housing market continuously evolving, strategically choosing locations with growth potential is key. Investing in emerging urban areas or neighborhoods experiencing renewal could generate significant returns. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, don't have the means to buy property outright? No worries. Real estate investment trusts allows you to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. These trusts typically own and operate income-generating real estate, and as an investor, you receive a share of the income produced. Investing in a technology park, REIT, as companies increasingly prioritize flexible and advanced office spaces. Fix and flip strategy. For more hands-on investor, the fix and flips strategy involves buying distressed properties, renovating them, and selling at a profit. While it requires more active involvement, it can be a lucrative way to capitalize on the real estate market fluctuation. Purchasing a property below market value, renovating it with modern features, and selling it at a higher price. Creative financing. With the financial landscape constantly evolving, explore creative financing options. This could include partnerships, seller financing, or even utilizing new blockchain-based real estate investment platforms. For example, partnering with a real estate developer to co-invest in a new housing project. Remember, the key to success in real estate is strategic thinking and adapting to market dynamics. Building passive income streams. Let's delve into a concept prominent to Robert Kiyosaki financial philosophy: building passive income streams. The idea is to have money working for you, allowing you to create wealth while enjoying more freedom. Let's explore practical ways to make this a reality. Investing in dividends-paying stocks. Classic way to generate passive income is through dividend-paying stocks. These are shares in companies that distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders. Consider diversifying your portfolio with stocks that offer consistent dividends. For example, investing in well-established companies with a history of paying dividends, such as those in the technology, utilities, or consumer goods sector. Creating and selling online courses. Leverage your expertise by creating online courses. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to monetize your knowledge. Once created, these courses can generate passive income as people enroll and learn from your expertise. If you are skilled in a specific field like digital marketing, programming, or personal development, you can create courses to share your knowledge. Building a stream of royalties. Explore opportunities to earn royalties. This could be through writing a book, creating music, or even designing digital products. Royalties allow you to earn money repeatedly from a single effort. Writing an ebook or composing music that continues to sell or be used over time. Automated business ventures. In digital age, automated business ventures such as dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or creating and selling digital products can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. For example, setting up an e-commerce store that uses dropshipping to fulfill orders without the need for inventory management. Real estate crowdfunding. Extend your real estate activities by exploring crowdfunding platforms. These allow you to invest in larger real estate projects with a smaller financial commitment, diversifying your portfolio further. For example, contributing to a crowdfunding campaign for a commercial real estate project with growth potential. Remember, key to passive income is creating systems that require less of your direct time and effort. Entrepreneurial mindset. We are delving into a crucial aspect of Robert Kiyosaki's philosophy, the entrepreneurial mindset. Kiyosaki emphasizes that cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset is paramount for achieving financial success. So how can you adopt this mindset? Let's explore some practical steps. Identify opportunities in challenges. Entrepreneurs see challenges as opportunities. With the ever-evolving economic landscape, there will undoubtedly be challenges. Instead of being discouraged, train yourself to identify the hidden opportunities within those challenges. For example, the rise of remote work may present opportunities for entrepreneurs in areas like virtual collaboration tools, cybersecurity, or creating home office solutions. Embrace innovation and adaptability. The business world is dynamic, and successful entrepreneurs are those who embrace innovation and adapt to change. Stay informed about emerging technologies and trends and be willing to shift when necessary. For example, entrepreneurs might explore opportunities in the metaverse, artificial intelligence, or sustainable technologies. Take calculated risks. Entrepreneurship involves risks, but it is about taking calculated risks. Evaluate potential risks and rewards before making decisions. With new industries and technologies emerging, being willing to take strategic risks can set you apart. Build and leverage networks. Networking is a cornerstone of entrepreneurship. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals, mentors, and potential collaborators. The power of connection can open doors to partnerships and opportunities. For example, joining industry-specific online communities, attending conferences, and actively participating in networking events. Continuously learning and adaptation. The entrepreneurial journey is a learning experience. Stay curious, seek knowledge, and be open to learning from both successes and failures. Technology and markets evolve rapidly. Continuous learning is non-negotiable. For example, enrolling in courses, attending workshops, and staying informed about industry trends. By cultivating an entrepreneurial mindset, you position yourself to not only navigate the challenges but also to thrive ever-changing business landscape. Navigating market trends, a skill crucial in Robert Kiyosaki playbook for financial success. The markets are dynamic, shaped by technological advancements, society changes, and global events. Let's explore how you can stay ahead of the curve. Stay informed about emerging technologies. Technology is a powerful driver of change. In 2024, staying informed about emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the Internet of Things can unveil new investment opportunities. For example, you can invest in companies at the forefront of AI development or blockchain applications. Understand changing consumer behaviors. Consumer behaviors evolve, especially in a rapidly changing world. Keeping a pulse on these changes can guide your investment decisions. Consumer shift preferences. Understanding their needs is key. Global economic trends. The world is more interconnected than ever, and global economic trends can impact your investments. Stay aware of geopolitical events, trade agreements, and economic indicators to anticipate market movements. For example, adjusting investments strategies based on global economic shifts, such as changes in interest rates or trade policies. Evolving industries and markets. Keep an eye on industries and markets that are on the rise. Specific sectors may experience significant growth due to technological breakthrough, society shifts, or regulatory changes. We have covered some of the most power strategies from Robert Kiyosaki playbook for financial success in 2024. But remember, knowledge alone is not enough. As Kiyosaki often emphasizes, consistency and actions are the keys to turning dreams into reality. In the dynamic landscape of 2024, taking action will always be superior to inaction. It is about making those small, consistent steps every day that collectively lead to a significant impact in the long run. I challenge you to make the 2024 year your best year ever in terms of financial goals. Take one actionable step today, no matter how small, towards your financial goals. Remember, the journey to wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, stay informed, and most importantly, take action. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more wealth building insights. I will see you in the next video.